Before you learn this, I need you to understand something, because once you learn this, you can't pretend you don't know it. And you'll never look at people the same way again. Society told you empathy is a virtue, but in high-stakes psychology, affective empathy, feeling what others feel, isn't kindness. It's a contagion. It infects your judgment, slows your reactions, and hands people power over you. That's why the elite don't feel the room. They profile it. Step 1, the quarantine layer. Most people are sponges. Someone cries, they absorb it. Someone panics, they catch it. You build the glass wall. When someone explodes emotionally, you visualize a physical barrier between you and them. Their emotion becomes static, background noise. You don't enter their world, you observe it. The moment you stop absorbing, you start controlling. Step 2, the surgeon's lens. Now you switch perspectives. You stop asking emotional questions like, why are they doing this to me? Instead, you ask, what's the diagnosis? What's the pattern? What does this reaction reveal? When you study someone like a subject instead of a threat, your amygdala, the fear center, shuts off. You stop being prey, you start being a scientist. And scientists don't fear their subjects. Step 3, tactical validation. This is how you neutralize emotional bonds. Do not argue, do not convince, do not defend. You simply label the emotion like you're reading a clinical report. Say, I see that you're angry because you feel betrayed. When you name a person's emotion to their face, something glitches. Their brain scrambles to agree with you, not fight you. You override their biology with a single sentence. This is where control quietly begins. Step 4, the 0-point stare. The dangerous step. This is the one they don't teach, because it works too well. In a heated moment, you erase your micro-expressions. Jaw relaxed, blink rate nearly 0, eyes dead, stillness absolute. This is called the flatline. Why this hooks? Viewer feels the forbidden power. When human meets a face with no emotion, their primal brain recognizes something ancient, a predator. Silence suffocates them. They rush to fill it. They break the tension, not you. You win the frame by becoming the void. Step 5, cognitive mirroring. Now that you are cold, you choose the emotions you project. You don't feel happiness. You deploy it to build rapport. You don't feel anger. You weaponize it to set boundaries. You become a psychological mirror, reflecting whatever emotion manipulates the moment most efficiently. Cold on the inside, precise on the outside. This isn't about being evil, it's about being effective. But there is a level beyond this, a technique called the ghost protocol, used to disappear from people's minds entirely. If you want part 3, drop a ghost in the comments and subscribe before I delete